Everybody, we're back again at the shenanigans, and we are gonna build our fire pit today. So we picked up some stone here, as you can tell, the collection of them, and we are gonna attempt to make our own fire pit. We're gonna level the ground. We're gonna what is it called?
Tamp,
that's it. And then we're gonna lay some stones, and we'll show you what that looks like and the after product. So come check it out.
Okay guys, we got this pretty good and level. It's tamped down with our homemade tamper. It's flat. We're gonna start laying the first layer of stones here. Okay guys, so we are just laying our first layer of stones here. 4 foot across fire pit. Emily is just getting these stones nice and level.
Yeah, I actually really like this.
Alrighty guys, we are getting some stone to finish our fire pit. So I think what we want to get right is pea stone. Alright guys, so we got our full thing completely all the way around. Obviously I had to cut through these 3 stones here, but she's solid and she is done. Next move is to take our load of pea stone and fill this in. Alrighty guys, here's our final product. Beautiful, beautiful fire pit. We got our pea stone all the way around. Obviously, we are going to add some cool chairs, some plants and stuff like that, but the main build is done. Turned out just as we'd hope it would. And tonight we're gonna give her a test run and have a little fire. So thank you guys so much for coming and checking out this video. If you like this video, comment, tell me how you did. If it's shit, let me know. If it's good, I'd love to hear it as well. And we will see you guys on the next one.